Welcome to AirBase by Hyland, a simple cloud-based document management application. In this demo, I will show you how you can use the AirBase system to store, retrieve, and route your documents simply and quickly. From the AirBase home screen, I am able to find the documents, add the documents, and manage those documents in a to-do list. First, I want to add a document. As an AP clerk, I work only with AP documents, and so I may not have user rights to other departments, such as human resources or contract management, and therefore I would not see those tiles on my screen. After I select the accounts payable group, I see all the individual documents that I can interact with. Since I received an invoice in my email from one of our vendors, I temporarily downloaded it to my desktop and will now bring it into the system. I browse out to the location of my file and proceed to assign values to this document that will enable me to quickly search for it in the future. Upon successful upload, I get a notification in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. AirBase scales for mobile view, and so you could also use your phone or a tablet to upload files right from your camera roll or by taking a picture, enabling you to be completely remote and still have access to all of your documents. After upload, you're able to preview the document. The preview window supports most common file types such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, and images like TIFF and JPEG files. However, AirBase can store any file type, including multimedia, without worry of tiered storage or file size limits. Based on my user rights, I have the ability to delete or download this document, view or change the keyword values, view document history with the username, action, and timestamp. I can manage revisions of this file if I wanted to upload a more current version without duplicating the document in the system, as well as add permanent comments on the document, again capturing the name of the user and timestamp of the note. I can further interact with the document by routing it to another user. I want to check with my shipping department if we have a matching packing slip before I can process this invoice for payment. Rather than walking over the department or sending them an email with an attachment and clogging up the company inbox storage, I can simply route this document through AirBase. I select my status of missing packing slip and select a user from the list. Please note that in order for the user to show up on the list, they have to be an AirBase user and be assigned the correct rights to this document group. Once the status is assigned, the user will get an in-system notification of a document requiring their attention. To see what documents have been routed to me, from the home screen, I select My To-Do List. If I have multiple documents, I can sort them based on date, document type, or status in order to prioritize my work. I can search for the specific document by the assigned values, status, or username. From my home screen, I hit Find Documents, select my document group, and pick which document I want to work with. If I want to pull up the invoice I just added, I can search my AP invoices for the invoice number 1110. I can go one step further and search for all the invoices assigned to a specific person, or search for invoices with a specific status, such as missing packing slip. Furthermore, I can get a better view of my business process by searching across the whole group of documents. I have received a follow-up call from one of my vendors asking for the payment status on a recent invoice. I can search my group of documents for their common values, such as PO number 656, and see that all three documents are in the system. I can then route this invoice to appropriate user to process for payment and quickly reply to the vendor with the new status. In conclusion, all of my documents were exactly where they were supposed to be, and I was able to quickly and intuitively make my decision, increasing my business efficiency. For more help in navigating AirBase, you can check out our help files. AirBase, a simple, cloud-based document management application.